Alright, welcome back to the Quick Speed Shop. What I'm doing today is I want to get the tow truck out so I can go out in the backyard and hook onto the Doodlebug and put that up in the shop to see if I can get the motor running for a steam show event I want to go to in a month or so. So we're going to hop in here, we're going to do a cold start. This hasn't been started probably in 4 months, and let's see how it goes. So what I'm going to do here is I got ignition on the dash. I'm going to flip that on. I'm going to go over here, turn my fuel on, which is under the dash. Make sure it's in neutral, put the clutch in. I'm going to pull the throttle down just a little bit. Hold the choke rod out once. We'll give her a whirl, see what happens. Ready? Here we go. Almost. Now you gotta admit that's pretty amazing for sitting here for 4 months. Literally no magic here. That was literally hit the starter and it fires on like the 3rd revolution. Just an old Henry Ford worn out Model A banger right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and shuffle some things around. We'll get the tow truck outside and we'll hook onto the Doodlebug. Alright, we got her all chained down here, ready to go. Let's fire up the truck and see if it'll pull it. And that's how you do it. It's just that easy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit the button over here. Bank. And I'm going to go ahead and tear this Doodlebug apart and see if I can get it running for the steam show. Well, we'll continue on. We'll see you next time at the Quick Speed Shop.